Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use cutout and overlay in CapCut. So if you want to remove a background and add yourself over a video all from your phone, in this CapCut tutorial, I'll show you how you can use the feature to create cool pro style edits soon and no experience needed. So first, I'm going to tell you what is cutout and overlay in CapCut. The cutout tools remove the background from a video or a photo, while overlay lets you place one clip on top of another. Combine them and boom, you can float, clone, or place yourself in any scenes. So to start, you can just open CapCut and start a new project. You can just select your background video or image. Here I'm going to just use a background from CapCut. Let's say I'm going to use just this backgrounds right here. You can tap on add. Now you can just add your overlay. You can choose the video or image you want to cut out. For example, I'm going to just go to overlay, add overlay, and again I'm going to use one video from CapCut. Let's just find someone who talks to the camera. Okay, let's say I'm going to just use this one. You can tap on the video you want to use, then tap on add. Now to use the cutout feature, you can just click on the video, the overlay video, tap on it and swipe until you find the remove BG options, and this is where you find the cutout or auto removal or custom removal options. I'm going to just go with auto removal. Here, as you guys can see, CapCut will automatically remove the background. You can also add a stroke if you want to. Here stroke is outline, just like this. I'm going to go with this one. Let's say, as you guys can see, it will automatically add the outline, and I'm going to resize, and now this is the result for the cut out versions of the clip. Now you can after you can adjust the position and size, you can also adjust the timing if you want to. You can just drag the timeline edges to make to adjust the length. For example, I'm going to just make it short, just like this. Okay, if you want to, you can also add cool filter, shadow, animations to your overlay. Let's say I'm going to just add animations, so let's just click on the overlay clip and go to animations. Here I'm going to go with the in animations and use this slide up like this. Click on a check icon, and that's it. So this is the final result, and that's how you can use cutout and overlay in CapCut like a pro. You can hit the like button if this helped, subscribe for more beginner tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. Also, don't forget to click on the thanks button. I'll catch you all on the next tutorials. Bye!